Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's been buzzing in the smartwatch community, the Garmin Instinct 3. Known for its rugged durability and advanced features, the Garmin Instinct series has consistently set the bar high for outdoor and fitness smartwatches. In this video, we'll explore everything we know about the Garmin Instinct 3, including recent leaks, rumors, and the historical evolution of this popular smartwatch series. Garmin Instinct 3. Let's take a moment to appreciate the legacy of the Garmin Instinct series. The original Garmin Instinct made a significant impact when it was released, thanks to its rugged build and functional features designed to endure extreme conditions. This smartwatch quickly gained popularity among outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and fitness aficionados who needed a reliable device that could keep up with their active lifestyles. One of the standout features of the original Garmin Instinct was its solar variant, which extended the device's battery life through solar charging. The anticipation surrounding this new smartwatch is palpable, and while Garmin has yet to officially confirm its existence, recent leaks and rumors have fueled excitement among fans and tech enthusiasts alike. One of the most talked about aspects of the Garmin Instinct 3 is its rumored design changes. The new model is expected to feature a more refined design compared to its predecessors. Speculation suggests that we might see a revised case shape, new color options, and the use of innovative materials. Rumors indicate that the new smartwatch will feature advanced heart rate tracking, improved stress monitoring, and personalized wellness insights. These enhancements would provide users with more comprehensive data to manage their health and fitness more effectively. Given Garmin's reputation for reliable GPS technology, it's no surprise that the Instinct 3 is expected to come with enhanced GPS and navigation capabilities. Rumors suggest that the new smartwatch will feature improved GPS accuracy, faster satellite acquisition, and better tracking performance. Battery life is always a crucial consideration for outdoor and fitness smartwatches, and the Garmin Instinct 3 is expected to address this with extended battery performance. While specific details are still under wraps, we can anticipate improvements in battery life due to advancements in technology and the integration of energy-efficient components. In terms of connectivity and smart features, the Garmin Instinct 3 is expected to offer improved integration with smartphones and other devices. Rumors indicate that the smartwatch will support enhanced connectivity options, including faster Bluetooth and Wi-Fi performance. Instinct series to the rumored features of the upcoming model. If you're as excited as I am about the Garmin Instinct 3, be sure to stay tuned for further updates and official announcements.